Joseph's out here this Saturday afternoon scooping the poop out of our cow lot. Probably so he can spread it on the field. He's got a ways to go. I don't think he's going to use the pitchfork for the whole thing. I think he's going to probably use the tractor bucket, but... Maybe just to clear out this kind of fenceway right here so you can get in. And then he's got to feed hay to the little girls over there. So I've kind of been AWOL the last 2 weeks. Honestly, guys, I just kind of got behind on putting videos up, and then I forgot one night, and I decided I just needed a little break. So, plus my videos were kind of short. Yeah, that's the tractor. So I'll try to put videos out when I can. Sometimes I need a break. We still got these girls on the stalks, but hopefully soon they'll be going in with a bull. We'll keep back our steers, obviously, and then 1 or 2 heifers, or all of our heifer calves probably, and then our one heifer that kind of had some issues. Chewing on her cud, you're right. So here's, I assume maybe 2 or 3 piles of the poop that Joseph's already got. I'm not sure if, I assume he's gonna spread this, but we've also been like working on a compost pile, so not really sure yet what his plan is. Cause he's gross. He's gross. Dogs like to chew on poop, I don't know why. Last year we put manure on probably about maybe 20 acres of our North 80. So I'm not sure if Joseph will kind of go from that. Well, you don't want to play in the poop, buddy. If he'll like go to the next 20 acres over there, or if he'll come on this side now, or like our alfalfa patch down here, we just got sprayed, so it's killed. So I don't know if he'll put it there. Not really sure. We're not sure if we're going to plant alfalfa again or not. This next year anyways. We might just wait a year. Here comes Joseph. Is he bringing some more poop? We better, here, come over here so he don't get us. Thank you, buddy. Thanks for helping. It's okay. Say thank you. Thank you for helping. Stay here, please. I think the kitty's over there. Oh, there she is. We got a new kitty because our other one got ran over. Sure, this is probably going to take all day. But it's free. And we do have our manure spreader out. So I borrowed someone, so thank you. Probably the perfect time to do this. There's some more mushrooms here, and I know I showed you guys those in our alfalfa patch. It's pretty cool. These look a little different than the other ones we saw, don't they?